Welcome to Scullen Middle School. This video is to help you and your family understand what technology is available for you to use and to check up this year. Our Scullen daily announcements are a great way to stay informed of what things are going on during the school. You can access this by clicking on the link on our Scullen homepage. On our Scullen homepage, there is a Watch the Scullen Daily Announcements link that is right below the picture of our building. The Scullen Daily Announcements is prefaced by the date that is below, and it will contain announcements throughout the day that will help your child. Replace this in the video. These announcements will help your child stay informed of the different activities that are going on. There are 3 ways that we would like you to keep in mind of how to use technology to follow along with your child's academics. Our Scullen family hopes that you can use As part of our Scullen family, we hope that you can use these 3 ways to help. As part of our Scullen family, we hope that you can use these resources to help your students succeed in our Scullen. As part of our Scullen family, we hope that you can use these tools to help your child succeed. Our first tool is our Google Sites. Our Google Sites are public access to teacher and class information. No login is required. Our second resource that's useful is our Google Classroom. This is private access to homework and curriculum items. Login credentials are required that the students have received. We encourage all parents to obtain this information as soon as possible. And finally, our HACK or Home Access Center, which is run by eSchool Plus. This site and technology resource is used to maintain the grades or to record the grades that your student has. The Google Sites. Our Google Sites are a public domain where it allows students and teachers. Our Google Sites, no login is required. You can go to the main page for our Scullen Middle School. Find the teacher to get to the team site. And from the team site, you can select the teachers. You can go to there by pressing on the button that says Faculty and Staff. Once you are at that site, a list of the teacher's name will be shown. Click on the appropriate teacher's name, and it will take you to the teacher's site, or the team site. At the team site, it will have general announcements with contact information, but on the left-hand side, it will have the teacher's pages. You can click on the teacher's name, and it will take them to their site. From their site, it will allow you to go on to the various syllabuses in the classrooms in different areas. Google Classroom. The Google Classroom is by far the most powerful tool that you will be using this year. It is an online classroom that will have daily assignments posted with due dates. It would also have all classroom materials that are posted there. Grades are not posted here. That is for our Home Access Center. A login is required. It is normally the student's computer login followed with at k12.ipsd.org. Please obtain this information and record it onto your devices or record it to your belongings. In addition to that, there is a free app for mobile devices. Your logon information is shown here. Our IPSD login for certain students are shown in this particular spot. The login for Google will require the additional information that is right here. Your password can be found normally from the student's login, which is identical. You can log on by going onto a computer in any web browser. In addition, mobile devices also allow you to download the Google Classroom app. The Google Classroom app is a great way to keep in mind what assignments are being due or assigned. If your child logs in, he or she, the credentials will stick with your app. You can download the app by looking at the icon there, and the classes will all be listed. You can notice that these are the classes, and upcoming assignments will be listed there. Other online materials can be unique to the class subject, or we encourage you to look at the LMC page with various online resources. HACC, or the Home Access Center. It is run by eSchool, and this is our online grade book. All grades will be posted for the classes here. A login is required. Both students and teachers have a login. Students and parents have logins. There is a free app for mobile devices. You can go to this website by going to our main website, and on the side there is the eSchool Home School Access link. It will take you to this where there are many tutorials. Well, there's a link that's provided there. There's also tutorials as far as how to look up certain things. On this site, you can go ahead and log in, but there's also an app installation. From the site, you can look at their classrooms, assignments, as well as their grades. Some information that will be notated on the Google Classroom. You'll notice that the most common ones that are used by teachers are the X and the Z. An absent will be notated, and it will not count against